The next element is customer tact. In order to improve the productivity, in order to reduce the cost in office area, we have to do the resource balancing, which is the next part or next to next part here in this video series. In order to perform the resource balancing, we have to see the demand rate of the customer. What is the demand customer is making in a certain period of time. So this customer Takt is calculated by dividing the effective working time by the customer demand. In the manufacturing area, for example, we could say that we are calculating for one shift, which has 480 minutes, divided by the number of parts we have to produce in every shift, 420, and by dividing 480 by 240, this gives us 2. So it means the customer demand is we have to produce every part in 2 minutes. So every 2 minutes we have to deliver one part. Our production processes should be so good that they are able to produce at least one part every 2 minutes. Bringing the same concept in our office areas, it means we take one time frame of 1 month. Say in 1 month we have 20 working days. So in 20 working days we have to deliver 2 projects. So it gives us 10 days. So every 10 days we should be able to finish one project. This is the customer tact. And in the resource balancing, we will see how this target given by the customer of 10 days or 9 days is deciding how we allocate the resources, how we shift the tasks from one employee to the another employee. So this is really the base. This is very important to make effort for calculating the customer tact. And this customer tact might be different in different seasons. We might have from January to maybe till March very high peak demand, and that's why the customer tact is 6 days. Every 6 days we have to deliver. Or in December it might be that every 15 days we have to deliver the project. So in case we have that deviations, we have to really consider for calculating the customer tact. So we have in a year 3 different type of customer tact. Customer tact or customer tact can also vary depending upon the complexity. So we might have project A, very simple, project type B, intermediate complexity, project type C could be very complex, and they might need different time. They might require different number of hours to put in. So depending upon that, we can also say the customer tact in whole year. For project A, we have 5 days. For project 2, we have 8 days. For project C, we might need 20 days, for example. So these variations can be documented when calculating the customer tact in office areas.